Welcome to final BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, we discuss systematic sampling versus stratified random sampling. Usually in the stratified random sampling, we consider K strata. Here in the systematic sampling, in the comparison with the systematic sampling, we know capital N is equal to N into K. In stratified random sampling, we consider I is equal to 1 to K and J is equal to 1 to Ni. Usually there is a pattern we consider. Now here we consider, instead of K strata, we consider N strata. This N indicates strata, number of strata, 1, 2 and so on N. So that is J is equal to 1, 2 and so on N, which will be the strata, subgroups. Here in the comparison of then the notations of the systematic sampling, we consider small n is nothing but number of strata, that is 1, 2 and so on N. What is the number of N? It is going to be considered as the sample size N in the systematic sampling. We consider now as the strata, that is subgroups. In the stratified random sampling, in view of the systematic sample, in considering in the systematic sampling notation, we consider small n is the strata, subgroups of the stratified random sampling. It starts here like how many units are there in each and every particular strata? It is fixed now. It was not fixed in the stratified random sampling. We may consider any number of units. In one stratum 5 units, in another stratum 10 units, in another stratum 16 units, etc. We can consider J is equal to 1 to Ni. So of size small n1, small n2, small nk, from the capital N1, capital N2, capital Nk. So that is the assumption in the stratified random sampling. But in the comparison of the stratified random sampling, in the comparison of systematic sampling, in view of the systematic sampling, the stratified random sampling is going to be considered as N strata and I is equal to 1 to K units. That K units are same in all the subgroups, in all the stratum, in all the strata. Every stratum it is K units. There are K units. In every stratum there are K units. So this is the assumption we have to consider. So these are some kind of assumptions we consider, and now we compare the stratified random sampling in view of we write some of the formulas. We write in terms of the systematic sample. Okay, it's a comparison. That is systematic sampling versus stratified random sampling. So for such consideration, for such kind of consideration, now we do in this particular comparison. Hope you are following this particular notation. That is the meaning of the comparison. Now in the comparison of these, the systematic sample, we have considered N is strata, subgroups. There are N subgroups. Each and every subgroup, that is stratum, we have K units. The K units in the sample, K units in the stratum, each and every stratum consists of K units. Likewise, we have how many number of strata? N strata. So N strata, it is going to be considered. Now I write the formulas. One by one the formulas I explain in this lesson. All the formulas which are to be converted for the in view of the systematic sampling, all the formulas of stratified random sampling are going to be considered, are going to be obtained, right? So therefore, now I consider one by one. That is the mean of the jth stratum. So here there we consider always ith stratum. I is equal to 1 to k strata, k strata. I refers strata. Here j refers strata because j is equal to 1 to n. N we have considered that strata. So therefore, in another fashion also I explained that similarity of the groups. So what is the basic definition of the stratified random sampling is that within the subgroup, within the stratum, as homogeneous as possible. The units should be as homogeneous as possible. Between the strata, that one stratum to another stratum, as heterogeneous as possible. That is the reason why here we have considered. I'll explain by considering the units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on k. So k units we consider in each and every particular systematic sample, right? So which means here we will get the units here 1 plus k, 1 plus 2k and so on, etc. Like that. It depends on the sampling interval. So units will be in this fashion. For example, 11th unit, 21st unit, 31st unit, etc. 12th unit, 22nd unit, 32nd unit, etc. Now you see here, this is homogeneity. So in this fashion we have considered. Now this is what k random starts, maximum k random starts we have. So with the help of that, k samples are going to be considered. In which n units are there in the systematic sample. Hope you follow. In the systematic sample, we consider k samples in each and every sample. For example, this sample. This is the one sample. In systematic sample, these are the samples. Okay, these are the samples. So this is the sample in systematic sample, in which n units will be there, small n units. Okay, now these are the systematic samples. These are the systematic samples. Now what is stratified random sample? The stratified random samples are considered in this fashion because of the homogeneity. Likewise, n strata, second stratum, third stratum, and so on, nth stratum. Do you understand this? This is what because of homogeneity. I want to establish a point that because of the homogeneity, we are considering this particular, all the units in this particular group are homogeneous. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, etc. The units which have homogeneity in this particular stratum, that is the reason why we are considering n, small n strata are there in the consideration of the systematic sample for the stratified random sampling. In the stratified random sampling, there are n strata we are considering in view of the systematic sampling. So that is the part I have explained. We are considering these are the systematic samples, and why we have considered these are the stratified random samples. Okay, hope you understand. Right? Now I consider the terminology. I explain one by one. That is the relation which are expressed the stratified random sampling in terms of the systematic sampling, right? So mean of the jth stratum, it is going to be explained as calculated, that is denoted by y bar dot j. It is equivalent to be 1 by n summation 1 by k, not n. I is equal to 1 to k yij. I is running 1 by k, summation I is equal to 1 to k yij. There is a mean of the jth stratum. The population mean. What is population mean? Y bar dot dot. It's denoted by y bar dot dot in the stratified systematic sampling. Now in the comparison with the stratified random sampling, y bar dot dot, the formula 1 by n, capital N, that is nk, summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j is equal to 1 to n, yij. The formula also can be written as 1 by k, summation I is equal to 1 to k, y bar I dot, or another formula 1 by n, summation j is equal to 1 to n, y bar dot j. If you want to use this y bar dot j, then this is the formula 1 by n summation j is equal to 1 to n y bar dot j, and 1 by k summation I is equal to 1 to k y bar I dot. These are the two particular formula, right? See here, you can observe here 1 by k. So 1 by n summation j is equal to 1 to n, y j is nothing but y bar I dot. And if you observe here 1 by n and 1 by k summation I is equal to 1 to k y j is nothing but y bar dot j. So summation j is equal to 1 to n. 1 by n summation j is equal to 1 to n y bar dot j. So which are the formulas of population mean and mean of the jth stratum? So mean of the jth stratum is y bar dot j and population mean is y bar dot dot. Have you understand? So these are the first two fundamental formulas, and then so you can express in this fashion as well. Y bar dot dot, the original formula is this. We can express in terms of y bar I dot, in terms of y bar dot j. Okay. Now we consider, we calculate, we write the formula of mean square, population mean square. What is population mean square of jth stratum? Sj square. It is going to be considered. That is, there we consider Si square. Hope you recollect the formulas in stratified random sampling. Si square. There is some for example 1 by ni minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to k, j is equal to 1 to ni, y is a minus y bar ni whole square, capital Y's. So here in the small y's, Sj square. The formula here 1 by nj minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to nj multiply of yij minus y bar dot j. With respect to, you have to calculate with the mean of the jth stratum. It is the population mean square. We have to go and consider for mean of the jth stratum. So that is y bar dot j. Yij minus y bar dot j whole square. Its summation depends on I is equal to 1 to nj. There we have, it depends on summation j. Now it depends on summation I is equal to 1 to j. So if we consider nj is equal to some k, that's what we are specifying, that there are fixed units n, k. There it is n, here it is k. Which are not fixed, here is fixed. Every stratum consists of k units. In the comparison of with the systematic sampling, the stratified random sampling, in the stratified random sampling, we consider n strata. In every strata, now every strata consists of k units. That is our assumption we consider, so that small n into k is equal to capital N. So for that consideration, small n strata we have considered and k units we have considered in each and every stratum. So every stratum consists of k units. So therefore nj is equal to, I am considering k. In the entire assumption of the stratified random sampling in view of the systematic sampling. Right? So I write this formula, it is also 1 by k minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to k yij minus y bar dot j the whole square. Do you understand this? So it is another formula by considering nj is equal to k. That is the formula of Sj square. So Sj square is also may be written as 1 by k minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to k yij minus y bar dot j whole square. Clear? So now I consider S square WST, that is mean square of the population between the units. Mean square of the population between the units within the stratum. So you see, this is the meaning of within the stratum, ST. Within the stratum, S square WST is nothing but mean square of the population between the units within the stratum. We should consider this is going to be calculated within the stratum. Within the stratum, that is S square WST. The formula is 1 by n into k minus 1 multiplied by summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j is equal to 1 to n, yij minus y bar dot j the whole square. This is the formula within the stratum. Population mean square within the stratum. At the separate another formula we have considered, S square WST. Now I tell you another formula of the correlation coefficient. Is it right? Is it clear? 1 by n into k minus 1, small n into k minus 1. Summation I is equal to 1 to k, j is equal to 1 to n. Yij minus y bar dot j the whole square. Now I write the formula of the correlation coefficient. What is the correlation coefficient? It is also within the stratum. Within the stratum, that is, I consider rho WST, with this correlation coefficient of the units, that is between the units within the stratum, between the units of the population within the stratum, that is rho WST. We are considering this particular population correlation coefficient between the units of the population within the stratum. So it is to be considered within the stratum only. Stratum itself we have to consider, and such calculation of correlation coefficient is nothing but rho WST. Rho WST. Now this is the formula. The formula of this is summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j is not equal to j dash is equal to 1 to n. You see, this is entire summation is one summation. J is not equal to j dash is equal to 1 to n. Yij minus y bar dot j multiplied by yij dash minus y bar dot j dash. Is it clear? Yij dash minus y bar dot j dash. This is I. This is dot. It's the same formula. Now you refer yij minus y bar dot j multiplied by yij dash minus y bar dot j dash divided by n minus 1 into n into k minus 1 multiplied by s square WST. This is the formula of rho. I write here. Right? So rho WST, that is correlation coefficient between the units of the population within the strata, is calculated by summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j not equal to j dash is equal to 1 to n, yij minus y bar dot j into yij dash minus y bar dot j dash divided by n minus 1 into n into k minus 1 into s square WST. This is the formula of rho WST. Population mean square, that is for correlation coefficient for the population units between the units of the population within the strata, that is rho WST, where S square WST is nothing but population mean square within the strata. It is 1 by n into k minus 1. This is the formula. Right? With this formula, I consider the formula of the variance of y bar st, and I stop here. I consider the formula of variance of y bar st. Now you consider the formula. I consider the one such formula of variance of y bar st, so that the very first formula, in one of the formula of the very first formula of stratified random sampling, the variance of y bar st, the stratified random sampling, I consider here the summation, there I is equal to, here j is equal to 1 to n, j is equal to 1 to n, 1 by nj minus 1 by capital Nj, small nj, capital Nj. Okay, there the formula is for I is equal to 1 to k. Okay, here it is. We have considered summation j with respect to j. Pj square Sj square, Pj Sj square, Pj Sj whole square, or Pj square Sj square. What is Pj? Nj by n. The Pj is equal to, where Pj is equal to Nj by n. Okay. There we have considered Ni. I is equal to, j is equal to 1 to Ni. I is equal to 1 to k. There is a formulas we have considered. Here j is equal to 1 to n. Here the summation depends on summation j. And in which small nj, capital Nj, Pj square, Sj square we have. There is the formula here. There the formula is 1 by Ni minus 1 by capital Ni, Pi square, Sa square, the formula. Where Pi is Ni by n, capital Ni by capital N, weight of the ith strata. Here Nj by n we have considered. Now in which already I explained that Nj is to be considered as k. It is same number of units in all the stratum, in all the strata, in every stratum. In all the strata we have considered same number of units. Nj is equal to k. Now I consider Nj, small nj is equal to 1. Small nj is equal to 1. And so that now I convert this particular formula. Small nj is equal to 1. There is no such small nj formula in the systematic sampling. So I consider 1. Okay, for one particular unit I am considering. So that I am calculating one particular strata. I have considered. So that therefore, if you calculate Pj is equal to, first of all, Nj is equal to k divided by capital N is equal to Nk in systematic sample. So therefore k will get cancelled. It is equal to 1 by n. So Pj is 1 by n. Now you substitute the values here. Nj is equal to k, small nj is equal to 1, Pj is equal to 1 by n. You substitute the values here, so that what you get the formula, that is where the y bar st is equivalent to be summation j is equal to 1 to n, 1 by nj, that is 1, nj is 1, therefore it is 1, minus 1 by nj is k, multiplied by Pj square is 1 by n whole square, 1 by n square, Sj square. These are all constants. 1 minus 1 by k constant, 1 by n square constant, I am taking outside. Is equivalent to be, by taking LCM, k minus 1 by k, k minus 1 by k multiplied by n square, that is n square. N square multiplied by summation j is equal to 1 to n. The only term depends on summation is Sj square. Only term depends on summation is Sj square. So I have given the formula of Sj square as well. What is the formula of Sj square? I write the formula. It is 1 by k minus 1 multiplied by, is equivalent to be k minus 1 divided by n square k, and summation j is equal to 1 to n. This is the Sj square formula is 1 by k minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to k yij minus y bar dot j, the whole square. This is the formula of Sj square, mean square of jth stratum, population mean square of jth stratum, Sj square. That is what I have considered. Now we can cancel out k minus 1 because the constant does not depend on any summation. So and then remaining values here, 1 by n square k in summation I is equal to 1 to k. I am writing this particular summation first in an order, that's all. Summation j is equal to 1 to n yij minus y bar dot j, the whole square. What is this formula? What is this formula? Summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j is equal to 1 to n, yij minus y bar dot j whole square. I recollect the formula. I write the formula here. S square WST, mean square within the stratum. Population mean square between the units within the stratum. It is going to be calculated by, the formula is 1 by n into k minus 1, 1 by n into k minus 1, summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j is equal to 1 to n, yij minus y bar dot j, the whole square. Now you see, this is nothing but this. Summation I is equal to 1 to k, j is equal to 1 to n, yi is a minus y bar dot j whole square is this. So if we want to calculate this, I am taking this particular term left hand side so that n into k minus 1 into s square wst is nothing but this. So therefore this value is n into k minus 1 into s square wst. Now I am substituting here. So therefore I substitute here is equivalent to be 1 by n square k into n into k minus 1 into s square wst. Clear? So now I cancel one particular n here. Therefore it is equivalent to be k minus 1 by nk multiplied by s square wst. What is this? This is the formula variance of y bar st. The formula of variance of y bar st of this stratified random sampling is now k minus 1 by nk into s square wst. That is the formula of the variance of y bar st. So these are the formulas and relations we have discussed. The stratified random sampling in terms of, that is in view of this systematic sampling. So one such relation, some kind of relations we have discussed in this lesson. How the systematic sampling is going to be considered. It is going to be related with the stratified random sampling. How the stratified random sampling, which was all the formulas which were converted in terms of the systematic sampling. In view of the systematic sampling, all the formulas of stratified random sampling have been discussed. How the technique is going to be converted is going to be discussed. What is the strata? How many number of units are in the strata? In each and every particular stratum. So which are all discussed. And what will be the mean square? What is the value of the mean of the J stratum, population mean, etc. All the kinds of formula till and variance of y bar st. That is very important to compare the two techniques and which technique is most efficient. There we use the formula of variance. Therefore, till the formula of variance we have calculated. So that is the reason why we have calculated all the formulas in terms of the stratified random sampling, in terms of the in view of the systematic sampling. Thank you.